Hey guys, and welcome to a new series on my YouTube channel where I will be reviewing products and telling you the pros and cons, as well as giving you free products and discount codes along the way. The first product that we have here is from a company called SANDMARC, and they make pro filters for the DJI Mavic. It's pretty simple. It's an ND and a polarized filter that clicks onto the front of your camera to allow you to shoot in very bright situations, like you're about to see from my friend Gyro. If you guys enjoyed that video, be sure to check out the link in the description below to give Gyro some support. Now, jumping on into this review, I decided the best way to test it out would be in Mexico. So I took this little filter set in my Mavic Pro to Mexico and took my drone up during sunrise. What I found out was remarkable. The drone actually started up with the filter on it, and it did not obstruct the camera in any way, which I thought was awesome. Now, all this footage is straight out of the drone. There's no color grading, which is actually mind-blowing to me. Normally, if I were to shoot this footage without an ND filter, it would be a super high shutter speed and it wouldn't be as smooth. So when first looking at it, I decided to go with the ND32 because if I'm shooting at 2.7K at 30 frames per second, I'm going to want to have my shutter speed at 1/60th of a second, and that's exactly what I did. The fact that I can shoot at that shutter speed during sunrise is actually mind-blowing. Another thing I wanted to try out was during high wind situations. As you can see right here, the Mavic is going all over the place and the filter seems to be completely fine. It did not fly off, break off, or anything like that. The filter just seemed to stay there without any troubles, and that was really awesome. So another little test I wanted to do was to film manatees through water. And now when you shoot water from above, you kind of get a lot of reflections and stuff. So I turned the polarizer on simply by turning the filter before I put it on my Mavic, and it allowed me to see through water, which I thought was actually pretty cool. And it allowed me to spot all of the manatees from a long distance away. So to wrap things up, if you guys use the code Kyler when you check out, you'll get 10% off your order. Now let's jump on into the pros and cons. The pros are that this is portable, it has a great design, and it's an effective device. It does everything that it needs to do and more. The cons are probably there's no guide for polarization, so I found myself spinning it and then figuring out which way is polarized, which way is not polarized, and then the price. But remember, if you use that code, it'll be 10% off. So that's it for the first video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that like button. Since this is the first video in the series, I would like your guys' input so I can make the next video better. Thank you. I'll see you next time.